Hello everyone! As part of Lemon Square's celebration of the brand's 40-year anniversary this 2025 with the theme 40 Years of Real Goodness. Ang real recipe na aking ibabahagi ay isang specialty delicacy from the north called tupig. Ile-level up sarap at gagawan ko po ito ng iba't ibang flavors gamit ang Lemon Square products.